Hi.
Tell Evan you better join.
For those of you who joining, I'm Chloe. Hi.
Oh, now we got people joining.
Yay. Okay, we'll give it a few more minutes and then we'll get started. Alright, maybe we should just start. Okay, so I'm Chloe.
I'm Gwendolyn.
And we are going to do an the supplies you're going to need is a toy car that you can pull back, something to weigh down the car. We're using clay, and we're going to learn is weighing down your car, pulling your car back, and seeing how far it can go.
Yep.
Anything to add?
Okay. Time to get started.
Yeah. Alright, so I'm going to move the camera so y'all can see. So as you can see here, we've set up tape measures all the way along the lines of the is measure it
53 inches.
53 inches. So we have 60 inches plus 53 would be about 115, I think. 115 inches. So that is pulling back our car only halfway, and it got 115 inches. So now what we're going to do is pull back our car all the way, which is about 12 inches. And then we let it go. And it actually went past the camera, so it went super far. And we are at,
This is
I don't know if you can see,
33
inches, so 20,
153.
153. So that would be like our first trial where we don't have any type of weight on our car. And now what we're going to do is we just have a small chunk of clay, and we're going to add it on top of the car. And then we're going to go set it up at the starting line. So as you can see, she's starting it, but now instead of pulling it back only halfway, she's going to pull it back all the way, which is 12 inches. And then we're going to see how far it goes. It ran into one of our tape measures.
That's the only time it's ever gone in a straight line.
Okay, we're going to try it again. There we go. Okay, so now we're going to measure it.
This one at 51.
So that'd be 111.
Yeah.
So this is 111 inches. So now that we notice that the more weight we put on, the shorter distance it's going to go, But just to take this even a little bit farther, we're gonna add even a little bit more clay here on top of the car, just to add even more weight. So now she's gonna crank it back again 12 inches, which is the full way, and then she's gonna let it go. And then as you can see, it's going kind of slower than what we had before, and not as far, and not as straight. And now we are at,
That's at 16, so that's going to be 76 inches.
so now it's 76 inches. So as you can see, the car with the most weight on it goes the least far, I guess, least amount of distance. So after doing this project, do you want to discuss like things that we can take away from this? Come back up.
So the questions are, it's how do these things relate to fuel efficiency? So it'll be, if you have a heavier car or more people or more weight in your car, you're not going to get as good as gas mileage as someone that has a lighter car or less things in their car.
So basically, if you have a huge truck, you're going to waste a lot more gas a lot faster than if you have a small, like, sedan. So another thing to take away from this, I would say, is that carpooling would help. Instead of everyone driving their own car, if you carpool, energy efficient cars where you can use electricity, or a hybrid car where it's half gas, half electricity, to help save energy and not pollute. If you guys want to send up any of your comments or questions, you're more than welcome to. Anything else?
That's pretty much it.
Back out here. If you have questions, this will be on the Need Projects YouTube channel, and we'll be posting it on the Instagram, but this was through Shell, so you can probably go on their website and look that up as well. But yeah, if anybody has any questions or wants to know all the materials we used, send us a shout. Is that good?
Yeah.
All right, we're signing off. Bye.